Hello friends, welcome back to my video channel one more time. So today we will learn what is the easiest way to set up your own online shop to make money. Okay, so this is similar to like setting up your online e-commerce business. Okay, but this one is more or less very concentrated to few products that you will be selling on the Etsy shop. Okay, so if you want to make money selling stuff, it's important to sell a product that you care about. Okay, you just don't have to go there in the market and choose any random product that will take fun out of it. So you have to be like focused on the products that you are already loving it, and you can publish it very enthusiastically. Okay, but before diving in, make sure it will actually sell. Okay, you just don't have to pick up the random product. As I said, you can do some quick market research using Etsy's search bar also. Be as specific in your query as possible and click through the different shop pages, okay, to see the number of sales made since opening of that storefront. Okay, every storefront will have some analytics that you can see, and check out the trends that they are having and the products are having. Okay, this way you can differentiate and you will be like first to the market, where you can directly go to the product which is already selling at a higher rates. Okay, if it is seems that there is enough interest in your product idea, then you can move on to the next step. Okay, making sure that the product will earn you money. Here is how to do the math first. Okay, figure out the cost to make each item. First, figure out what costs are there, such as materials or labor, or be involved in the production also. If you want to sell like handmade jewelry, for example, then you look up the prices for this gems and the earrings, hooks, or etc. Whatever required in making that jewelry you would use to make each piece. Then calculate the cost of making a single item also. Research the competition on the Etsy again, okay, or different platforms. Scope out the prices, then calculate the cost of making the single item. Okay, and check out the prices at which the similar items are being sold on the Etsy also. It's also a good idea to consider the prices on other marketplaces such as Amazon is there, or local stores, to increase your chances of selling. Okay, if you are going to give the competition to the local stores, and if the user is going to like receive the product sitting at home, then obviously they will choose your product as compared to the local store by going and driving themselves to their store. So factors in Etsy fees is very important. Selling through Etsy isn't free actually. So for example, the site charges like 20 cents to list an item. Okay, when you make a sale, there is a transaction fee of 5% of the price you display for each listing, plus the amount you charge for shipping and gift wrapping. Read up on all Etsy's fees before you start selling on it. If you expect to owe like more than $1,000 in taxes on your earnings, then you should probably set aside money for the estimated quarterly tax payments. There might be state, local, and other taxes. Estimate your tax liability to determine an accurate figure to save more. Okay, evaluate the numbers first. Okay, before going into this business. Take the price per item you have picked and deduct the associated cost first, and then including fees, taxes, and production expenses are there. Then see what's left over. Okay, if you can't turn a profit while maintaining a competitive price, then you might want to try another sales venue or a different product. Okay, just leave that product and check out the high marginal products for that matter. Once you have identified a solid idea, it's time to create your own shop. It's a simple process. Just sign up on the sell on Etsy button while going to their website, and then fill in the details such as your shop name, then your listings are there, and your billing information is there. Okay. Once your shop is online, check out the Etsy's seller handbook and consider joining a team to help you learn the basics from other shop owners, and then such as how to take like great photos of your items or write your shop description. Then you can focus on one of the most challenging parts of being an online entrepreneur: marketing your product. Okay, so start with the free methods first, like creating a Facebook page or Instagram account for your shop is a good place to start with. Okay, check out the similar accounts to find relevant hashtags also and ideas for the posts. Then post regularly and interact with the followers to maximize your reach. Okay, you could also start a blog about a topic that's relevant to your buyers. If you're like a vintage clothing shop, or for instance, then you could write about how to style the clothes or repair the older pieces. If you can afford to invest some money, then consider paid methods also, such as Etsy's promoted listings products, or Google's shopping ad tools is there. to showcase your items on the priority basis. As the business grows, set sale goals and take advantage of Etsy's web analytic tools. Okay, that will give you like detailed overview on how the engagements are going on from the social media, or what products are being liked on the Etsy shop from your storefront, etc. Depending on that, you can also keep changing your strategy so that you can have more and more engagement with your followers. That way, you can gauge if your marketing tactics are working or it's time to try something new. Okay. Then, if you want to increase your speed even further and start selling the stuff at a good pace, then you will also need to put some cash into the digital marketing. Okay. I've always referred to the digital marketing in my most of the videos because that's the oxygen for the today's marketing in the online presence. Okay, because most of the customers can be engaged through the online platforms, so that there comes the digital marketing role. If you have seen my digital marketing videos, then they could easily help you understand on how to grow your audience and visitors on the website and generate the leads for you. So if you happen to grow your visitors by means of social media, then that is the best shot like generating the leads for you. See, the social media is full of entertainment and the best way to capture the visitors with a good mood. Okay, most of the users that we find on the social media are entertaining themselves with the, let's say, funny videos are there, reels are there, and are completely focused on it. So if your advertisement pops in between such a reels, then there is a high chance that such users will always return to your Etsy shop, or let's say whatever you are advertising on. Okay, they will have more engagement and at least they will surf through your website, or let's say you are publishing your blog which is being done for the Etsy, then they will go there and they will engage with it. If they like it, it might happen that they will keep sharing it with their friends in the DM and etc., so that you can have more and more followers every day. So remember guys, you have to showcase the products which are attractive, trending, and are most likely by the user these days. Okay, always keep changing the storefront so that it will have a fresh look and more customer engagements on the daily basis. Okay, when it comes to the social platform pages of your Etsy shop, then make sure that you are publishing new products every day so that you can have more engagements on daily basis. Okay, so guys, hope you will like this strategy. If you follow these tutorials step by step, then you will be able to set up a successful Etsy shop. Hope you like it. Thank you guys.